You're looking at the front end of a beautiful '06 granite blue, that is, Silverado 1500 extended cab. You know what, if you looked at this, I'll tell you something, you'd have to almost think it's brand new. There's not a blemish on it. It's got rally wheels. You don't even see these anymore. That's called an LT3. LT3 signifies the top of the line. It's got power windows, power door locks, tilt, cruise control. It's got a leather interior, power seats. It's got the tie downs on the back. It's a Z71 off-road package vehicle. I want to get back here so you can see a little bit more. Trailer tow package. So look at what you've got. Look at the lines on that car. I'm looking at the side. As I said before, there's not a scratch. There's not a blemish on it. It's absolutely blue. Absolutely beautiful. Rallies, leather, windows, door locks, tilt, cruise, and '06. And this thing can be purchased for under $14,000. Really, really worth coming up and taking a look at it. We're located on Healdsburg Avenue, 1395, McConnell Auto Group. Ask for Peter when you come in. I will take good care of you. You have to see it to believe it. Talk to you later. Goodbye.